Next task. And I'm going to keep doing it till that goal is complete. And I'm going to keep doing that till every goal is complete. So now, eventually, I'm going to be the place that I envisioned. That goal that I envisioned, that person that I wanted to be, that I drew out in my mind, that I put on a wall, and I was like, I want to be this exact person that look like this, talk like this, act like this, whatever. I want to do this for a living. I want to own this. I want to whatever. I wrote everything down, and every single day, bro. I'm talking about passionately, passionately. The key to accomplishing goals is passion, resilience. You feel what I'm saying? That belief in that higher power to know that, okay, somebody's gonna help me accomplish these goals. I'm not gonna give up. That belief it ain't even gotta be a religious or spiritual belief. It can be, I just want to get my kids out the motherfucking ghetto.
That is true. It could be just as that. Yeah. Simple as that. Absolutely. Yeah.
It can be as simple as that. You need to have something that you're working hard for, and you need to be charismatic. You need to be a believer in your goal and your dreams. So now you can attract other like-minded people who want to help you achieve your goal, because every person doesn't want to be a leader. Some people want great people to follow. Some people want to be a part of a vision. Feel me?
That is true, right?
Everybody might not have a grand vision. Some people just want to show up to work and do their part of the
vision.
Part of the vision, and that satisfies them. And you wanna be clear and have clarity in your vision. So now other people who have like-minded thoughts will attract to you and help you accomplish your goals, because you can't do it by yourself. You got to have a team. You got to create a team. You got to treat everybody good. You want to pay everybody. You know what I'm saying? And you eat together. Everybody eat together. Man, you do that and you work every single day. Every dream, every goal that you got, you will accomplish one by one. And I guarantee this. I swear on this. Every goal. The biggest thing you could do is, if it's in your mind and you imagining it, write it down. Now it's a reality. You just took it out of your mind and you made it physical because you put it on a piece of paper. That's the first step. You know what I'm saying? You know how many ideas you have at night before you go to sleep, or when you first wake up, that you never see into fruition because you didn't write it down.
You never write it down. You completely forgot about it. Or, you know, you thought of pink. Now when you wake up, it's blue. You know, things like that. Absolutely right.
Write it down and act on it, man.
You know what? And I've asked a lot of people that question. That is the most profound, not only the most profound and intense answer that I've gotten, but a lot of viewers will probably respond to this. You know, that hits directly to the mark in the aspect of, you know, that is a true blueprint. That is a true roadmap, right? Believing in that higher power.
And the name, the name on the top of that blueprint, we're going to put work ethic. You can't get nothing without
and that's a lost start right there.
Sacrifice.
That's a lost start. In this microwavable society that we in right now, that people think that success can just be overnight. I mean, we heard your story now because we're different. We come from a different cloth, but work ethic is another prerequisite that a lot of people just don't have inside of them. I agree with you.
Work ethic, sacrifice, and resilience. Never giving up. The day that you give up, the day that you motherfucking
it's over with. Baked chicken.
And you know don't give up.